482.M39. The Argosa uprisings have been checked. Retributor Astartes now assists the hunt for fleeing leaders of the rebellion. On the 24th of January 2023, I received transmission of a commission inquiry to create a Primaris Astartes Space Marine with a firstborn helmet in the colors, insignia, and regalia of an Impulsor Sergeant from the Imperial Fist Successor chapter known as the Retributors. I must admit that the project got me pretty excited, and after a little thought, I accepted the challenge. This video is one of the products of this bespoke request. I trust you will enjoy, brothers and sisters.
Astartes is a fan-animated short created entirely by Syama Peterson, inspired by the grimdark universe of the Warhammer 40,000 franchise and the titular Adeptus Astartes Games Workshop's poster boys. The stunning CGI animation was later acquired through various means, including aggressive copy strike action. The original now sits on their Warhammer community website. Splices of the 4K upscale version were used to demonstrate both the attention to detail displayed by Syama in the film and the features I've attempted to bring to life in this mini-project. The brief of the commission was to create a Primaris Sergeant in the style of the protagonist from Astartes. The helmet was to be a firstborn style Mark 8, left eye lens should be cracked. There's links in the show notes to all my stuff, including the newly revised Patreon, and also Warhammer Community's Astartes upload, the 8K upscale video here on YouTube by Upscale, and Syama's Patreon. I strongly encourage you to go and support Syama through his Patreon, as I'm certain that whatever it is he's working on for the future will no doubt be excellent. The Marine was kit bashed from 3 different kits. Points to anyone who can guess all 3 down below. Green stuff and building took the best part of a few days, until I was happy with it. The helmet was acquired from a firstborn Devastator kit. I had to shave off the extra targeting optics and then smooth and shape the area out. I didn't capture this part of the process, I'm afraid, on film, though I do plan to cover sculpting basics in a future video. I started painting with black primer through the airbrush, keeping the sheathed combat knife, custom bolt pistol and helmet separate for most of the project. The base was made from at least 2 kits, and some plastic eye bar I have in the bits box. I started with a mid-tone, which was a half-half mix of Storm Vermin Fur and Administratum Grey. And then I started quickly establishing the positions of the highest highlights all around the armour. You'll find the footage of all of the painting through my Patreon, where they'll be uploaded over the next week. If you enjoyed the video, stick around for the final 360 and money shots. Click the like button, subscribe for more content, share this video with anyone you think might like it, and if you've anything at all to say, please pop a comment down below. I love to read them and I respond to as many as I can manage. See you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. I've been the Mini Madcap. Question everything and have fun. If you enjoyed that episode of Beyond the Box Art, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. And if it pleases you to procure one of my painted pieces, you can peruse the eBay shop. And if you really enjoy the content, you can support me directly at ko-fi.com/beyondtheboxart.